Hey guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab, formerly DetailJuice.com. This is the brand new, definitive, protective, water-based solution in my lineup. This, if you've been following along, is basically like Beyond Slick AF and Juice Boost 25 built in one, but in all of our testing, because we started using our fancier gloss enhancers and that kind of thing, one of the main ingredients in that is the zirconium oxide ceramic that we've been adding. So you not only get SiO2 goodness, TiO2 goodness, but you also get that zirconium oxide in here. In all of our testing, this produces 22% more gloss and 17% more protection than any of my other water-based dilutable protective sprays I've ever offered. So if you're looking for the maximum gloss, the maximum slickness and protection out of a spray and wipe product, not only can you use it on every exterior surface, but now it's made for every interior surface except for carpet, if that makes sense. You can use it on your interior glass, plastics, leather, vinyl, all of it. I also wouldn't use it on suede. So suede and carpet, fabrics you don't want to use it on, won't do anything. So that's where we're at. This is my best I've ever offered. In fact, this complete brand new lineup is the best I've ever offered, period. So if you've always loved my products, when you get your hands on these, you're really going to love them. Anyway, Rapid In and Out Protect. It dilutes up to 1 to 15 for waterless wash and detail spray. Now, if you want a protective spray, which most people want, and that's why there's so much incredible value in this, it will dilute 1 to 7 for protection. In the state of Florida, in all of my testing, I see over 1 year every time I apply this one time. So once it's applied, you give it some time before it gets rained on to dry up and cure, do its thing. This stuff lasts and lasts and lasts. It is really, really nicely chemical resistant. It is just the most glossy thing I've ever produced and protects from bugs and all kinds of nastiness and just makes you feel good because you get that awesome water beading and sheeting action. It does all of that. So if you want to make yourself feel good about driving your ride, whether it's a boat, auto boat, RV, motorcycle, doesn't matter. This stuff, awesome and slam full of value. So check out rapidriderehab.com. I'm Garry Dean, like I said, the owner. My cell phone number is 813-846-4406 should you need me. That's it. I can't help you if you don't reach out. So let me know if you need me. Have a wonderful day, guys.